welcome to Yoga with M. I'm celebrating International Yoga Day by doing a giveaway, and I thought I'd give away one of these relaxation eye pillows. I make these in my spare time, and my yoga clients really enjoy using these for relaxation in Shavasana, maybe in restorative yoga or yin yoga classes, or maybe if you're just having a beauty treatment or relaxing at home. It's really calming, relaxing, and restoring. So to win one of these eye pillows, all you've got to do is comment below with your favourite yoga pose. And if you don't have one, have a look at one of my videos and choose a pose from there. Good luck.